this is Dr. Chanel McCready from Los Gatos Pediatric Dentistry and Dr. Rabbit's Pediatric Dentistry. Today we're really excited to show you how to take dental photos for your virtual dental exam. Are you guys ready? Okay, so what you're gonna do in order to take those photos is have 3 things ready. Number 1, a friend or a parent. Number 2, you're gonna go ahead and have 2 spoons ready. And number 3, you're gonna have a smartphone or a camera. You guys ready to learn how to take some pictures? So what you're gonna do is first take some pictures of the top teeth here and the bottom teeth biting together. We're gonna use the spoons to move our cheeks out of the way. You're gonna put the curved part of the spoon towards your teeth. And just like that, someone's gonna take the picture for you. The next 2 photos we're gonna take are the side photos of your teeth. You're gonna use 1 spoon to pull your cheek back, and then we're gonna take a photo of those side teeth. And the same thing for the other side. All right, so now we've taken 3 photos. The last pictures that we're gonna take are of the full arch of the bottom teeth and the full arch of the top teeth. For those, we're gonna put our spoons back in and open really wide and tip our head back like a hippo to get the top ones. And then for the bottom. All right, so we've taken a few photos. What you guys are gonna do with these photos is send them off to our email address that we've already shared with you, and we're gonna have those ready when you have your virtual dental exam. We're really excited to see you guys back in the office, but in the meantime, we're excited to see these photos of you. Hope to see you soon. Bye.